a new video, and today I'm going to show you how you can short your knitwear sleeves, like this example. So I bought this knit sweater like 2 or 3 years ago secondhand, because I was buying some clothes for my boyfriend, and that profile had this knitwear, and I was like, oh, I really enjoy the color, and it was so cheap, and I bought it, and I really love this sweater. But what happened was that it was like oversized, but the sleeves were too long for me. And you can see here like the the elbow are quite down because they are like long sleeves. But I managed to short them by hand, and I will do it on this video tutorial to show you how you can do it easily in your home. So first you have to measure the size that you want to shorter your sleeve, and for that you can use some pins. First, try your sweatshirt and put the pins on the length that you desire. Since my sleeve is folded in half, I measured 3 centimeters, and I will have to measure next the double, 6 centimeters, when I unfold the sleeve, so I can have the right measurement. I use chalk to mark the length that I want to. I chose embroidery thread for this project because it's not too thin and it's not too thick to use it, and I use also the color of my shirt. And then you start sewing like this. Just follow this step by step. Bear in mind that for this project you have to use a thread that could be robust, it could be strong enough to pull, and some thread that will break easily, because we will push these threads later. So it's time to pull our thread, and also we don't want wrinkles, so please adjust when you pull to not have any wrinkles, and to have the right tension, and to be perfectly natural when you see it, because that's the point of this adjustment of your shirt, so be careful. And now let's finish our adjustments. And for the record, made this video, I think 2 years ago. There was in my hard drive, and I think I've already washed this shirt for about like more than 50 times, probably because I wear it a lot. So it is a tutorial that will stay longer in your sweatshirt. So as you can see, it's an easy way to shorten your knitwear. And this is the final result. You can see the difference between the two sleeves. So I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share with someone that could do this. And we'll see you all in the next video.